You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 32. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 32.